Installing a weather-based smart irrigation controller during new home construction saves water and automates landscape care immediately. Choose a controller that supports local weather forecasting and soil moisture sensor input, and wire it to dedicated low-voltage transformer circuits during rough-in to avoid retrofit conduit work. Configure zones by plant type rather than by arbitrary yard sections, so drip lines serve beds and microsprays serve shrubs while traditional sprinklers serve turf, and label each zone clearly at the panel and on a printed zone map. Place soil moisture sensors in representative zones at root depth for your dominant plants and calibrate the controller to ignore brief rain events by setting a minimum allowable cycle time and a dynamic adjustment percentage. For drip systems, set schedule run times by emitters per hour and tube length instead of fixed minutes to account for flow rate, and use pressure regulators and cleanable inline filters to prevent clogging. Integrate the controller with your home automation platform using open accessory protocols when possible to allow global scenes such as away or drought mode, and to centralize notifications about leaks or failed zones. During commissioning, run each zone for a short test and measure applied depth with catch cups or a screwdriver probe, so you can tune run times to deliver 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch per irrigation for turf and 1/10 to 1/4 inch for beds depending on soil texture. Common mistakes include grouping dissimilar plants on the same zone, which leads to overwatering drought-tolerant species and underwatering thirsty plants. Fix this by rezoning during rough-in so each irrigation line serves a single plant water profile. Another issue is relying solely on calendar-based schedules, which wastes water when conditions change. Solve that by enabling weather adjustment and linking soil sensors so the controller skips cycles after rain and reduces cycles during cooler periods. A third problem is poor emitter and filter maintenance causing uneven distribution. Prevent this by installing accessible filters, flushing lines at installation, and scheduling a short visual check each season to clear screens and replace failed drippers. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides project listings that help match irrigation upgrade needs with available pros. We also host a discussion community where owners and contractors exchange tips on controllers, sensor placement, and commissioning details.